Two little words, ja and jo. How do we use them? Let us look at two examples. Snakker du norsk? Ja, det gjør jeg. Do you speak Norwegian? Yes, I do. Or you can just as well say, nei, det gjør jeg ikke. No, I don't. But we now look at the ja word. So you see, positive question, positive response. Do you speak Norwegian? Yes, I do. Snakker du norsk? Ja, det gjør jeg. But if I have a negative question was ikke, but I still want to say, yes, I do. In this case, I have to use jo. Snakker du ikke norsk? Jo, det gjør jeg. Don't you speak Norwegian? Well, yes, of course I do. And you can, again, just as well say, nei, det gjør jeg ikke, but that is not so relevant. So, negative question, positive answer, then you say jo and not ja. Let's look at another couple of examples. Regner det i Bergen? Is it raining in Bergen? Ja, det gjør det. Regner det ikke i Bergen? Jo, det gjør det. You see the difference. So we have ikke in the question and we want to answer positively, then we say jo. Yeah, but we can also use you to emotionally emphasize the sentence. Like I can say, du snakker bra norsk. You speak good Norwegian. Du snakker jo bra norsk. Well, you do speak good Norwegian, right? So I want to emphasize it. Yeah, I want you to really believe that I mean that you speak good Norwegian. Jeg mener ikke det. I don't mean it. Jeg mener jo ikke det. Well, I absolutely don't mean it. And another use. Forstår du? Do you understand? Jeg forstår. Yes, I understand. Jo visst forstår jeg. Well, of course I understand. So these are some other ways to use you to emphasize what you want to say.